This tutorial will teach you how to create a geometric pattern using double half-hitch knots and square knots. Using another piece of rope as your filler cord, tie a double half-hitch knot on the left side of your work. Continue tying double half-hitch knots working from the left to the right. Find the middle of your work and tie a square knot with the 4 cords in the middle. Continue tying square knots around the 2 filler cords in the middle. Pick up 1 new cord from each side to create your new square knot. As you can see, I did not create a square knot with the filler cord. If I were to create a wall hanging using this pattern, I would likely create a row that included a few of these geometric shapes and then take the filler cord and tuck it into the back of my work on both sides. I'll show you how to do this at the end of the video. Using another piece of rope as your filler cord, tie a double half-hitch knot on the left side of your work. Continue tying double half-hitch knots working from the left to the right. Tuck your filler cords into the back of your double half-hitch knots on both sides of your work. Thanks so much for watching. Please check out the description as I have listed a few extra resources for you there, such as links to more in-depth tutorials on how to tie the 2 knots used in this video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials.